fire is too big.
Once fire crews got on scene, they noticed heavy smoke coming from a multi-structure, multi-apartment building. Shortly after that, they called a second alarm.
Car 99 to engine 13.
A few minutes after that, they called a third alarm.
I don't know who was in there.
After that, they called a fourth alarm. And then eventually they had to call a fifth alarm.
I was so scared when I got the call. I was like, I hope
I know,
it's okay.
scared me too.
Engine 5, engine 8 are making their way there now.
They're gonna be dealing with this at least for the next 3 or 4 hours.
Get a line over here on the Delta side for this exposure.
These guys are they're doing overtime today. They're gonna be out here for a while.
That's my building right on fire. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. This is a total loss. Everybody's furniture destroyed, family portraits destroyed. Then Christmas in a couple more weeks, you know what I'm saying? I feel real bad for the people. They can be replaced, man. They can be replaced.